Hello, my dear friends. Today we learn some alphabets. Are you ready? Let's start. First letter is A. Let's find A. A. The next letter is B. B. Let's see what's the next letter. C. And the next letter is D. Is this D? No. Let's find D. Yes. D. Next letter is E. E. Let's find next letter. The next letter is F. Where is F? Yes, F. And the next letter is G. G. Let's find next letter. H. I. Let's see what's the next letter. Is this J? No. Yes, J. And the next letter is K. Let's find L. L. Is this M? No. M. And the next letter is N. N. O. Is this P? No. P. Let's find Q. Is this Q? Yes, Q. R. Is this S? No. Where is S? Yes. This is the letter S. Let's find next letter. T. Is this U? No. Yes, U. V. The next letter is W. Is this X? No. Let me check this. Yes, X. Let's find Y. And the last letter is Z. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.